Today we're diving into the world of DevOps. If you're feeling like DevOps is some sort of mystical creature from the cloud, don't worry, we're here to demystify it. Welcome back to the channel, where we break down complex tech topics like we're debugging code one line at a time. What is DevOps? Imagine DevOps as a helicopter linking two islands together. However, it can only have two people in it at a time. Not great. What's even better than that is having a bridge linking the two islands. The two islands, development and operations. It's the bridge that allows these two teams to collaborate more effectively, enabling faster and more reliable software delivery. In simpler terms, DevOps is all about the culture, the practices, and the tools that bring developers and operations teams together. But to some of you, that might not make any sense. Let's rewind a little bit. In the old days, and as you can tell, I am quite old, think traditional IT. Developers would write a piece of code and then toss it over the wall, nicely gift wrapped, to the operations team, who would then say, "Hey, good luck with that, operations team." The ops team would then take the code and they would try to deploy it. Often they'd face issues, and because, surprise, surprise, they didn't write the code, they don't have the knowledge and the understanding and all the nuances that go along with it. They were just relying on the code and the release notes, if any. This us versus them mentality led to slow, buggy deployments, and it also led to a lot of finger pointing. But then someone thought, wow, what if we worked together? What if we shared the responsibilities and communicated more? And boom, DevOps was formed. Now, why should we care about DevOps? Well, DevOps is a bit like tuning your car or your helicopter engine. It makes everything run smoother, faster, and more efficiently. Here's the TLDR. Faster time to market. DevOps enables quicker releases because everyone's on the same page. You get new features out to users faster than a code build in a CI/CD pipeline. Improved collaboration. DevOps replaces it with "we're in this together" mindset. Developers and operations folk work hand in hand, just like a co-pilot and a pilot. Better product quality. With automated testing and continuous integration, you can catch bugs early, before they even become production nightmares. More reliable releases. With continuous delivery pipelines, you can release code that's more stable and less likely to crash. Alright, it's time to talk tools. DevOps has a toolkit, a big toolkit, but you don't need everything. So let's go through some of the options. Here's a quick flyby of some of the popular tools. Version control. Git is your version control system. Think of it as a black box recorder tracking every change made to your code. CI/CD pipelines. Jenkins, GitLab, Circle CI. These are assembly pipelines automating the process of testing, building, and deploying your code. Configuration management. Tools like Ansible, Puppet, Chef, they help you manage your infrastructure as code. Not to mention Terraform. It's like having your checklist for your helicopter pre-flight, but for your servers. Containerization. Docker and Kubernetes. These are like packing everything you need for that mission into a neat portable container that you can deploy anywhere. monitoring and logging. Tools like Prometheus, Grafana, the Elk stack to help keep your eye on the systems, like a control tower monitoring the flights. And there you have it, the basics of DevOps demystified. Remember, DevOps is more than a set of tools. It's like a cultural shift that helps the team work together. Heck, if there's 2 teams, make it 1 team. Maybe swap partners. Maybe that's too far. But it helps the teams work together like a well-oiled helicopter machine. If you found this useful, then hit the bell, do the thing, and everything else I'm supposed to say right now. And keep your eye out, because this is the start of a series. There'll be another video along soon. And hey, drop a comment below if there's any DevOps topics that you'd like me to talk about, and we can explore those next. Until next time, keep your deployments smooth.